Alright, hey guys, welcome back to a very special video. This is my 2024 New Year's celebration, and I have my laptop here with split screen and the live ball drop video. So yeah, this is going to be really cool, and I can't wait to do the sound off. So as requested, I have mechanical horns on all 4 stations. But first, I just want to say a big thanks to all the support I gotten since October 14th. It really means a lot to me. I just want to say thanks. It's really good. I really appreciate all the support. So let's go ahead and do a short overview of the system. I'll list the model numbers in the description. So I have the Edwards pool, Simplex horn strobe here, Simplex and Wheelock combo, Federal Signal and Wheelock combo, and finally a Simplex combo. And yes, the capacitors, or 47 UF capacitors, are on the way, and as promised, I will be doing video of March time bells. Can you believe it, guys? Less than 5 minutes left. That is crazy. Just a minute left. This is insane. Like, this is crazy. I'm really excited. Oh, cool. Is it synced? Sorta. Is that synced? Wait. It's fine. Much better. I'm just gonna leave it running. I'm like getting tensed up. I'm gonna put my headphones on right now. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy 2024. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video in 2024.